Be something crazy. Poseidon, how much is that? Okay, 1k. Yo, hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We're once again back on rain.gg. We have 650 coins to play with, and as always, before we get into the video, if you're going to play on rain, don't forget to head over to deposit, use code Vaulty, hit 7 days and apply. If you do so, you will automatically get 5% deposit bonus and join our 1000 coin bi-weekly leaderboard. So it just started, so don't miss that out. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. I think we're just gonna start off by putting 25 coins on rain here and see if we can hit a quick rain spin. Unfortunately, the triple jackpot just hit. I saw it hit earlier here. 9k jackpot, should have been in on that. Okay, no good start. Let's just get straight into the battles and see. Just maybe we can hit a 5%er or a 1%er would be even better here. Yeah, nothing in 5% gems. Come on. 5% Asimov. Show us the AK Asimov. Okay. I mean, bad that we hit, but come on, it's good for the pot. Just be the AK now. Start it off with the AK. M4 is really good. That's over 300. 335. Okay, now 1%er. Okay, no 1%er. Here we want the AK X-ray. Okay, wait. Okay, that's bad that he hit, but okay, come on now. Don't be the M4. Go down, it's too slow. That would have been 855 coins. Thank you, come on. Okay, another hit. Bot 4 is cooking. Right now it's almost 50-50. How much is that? 300, right? 226, okay. It's going really well now. Last case, 1%er. Don't fuck it up. Give a hit on bottom. Okay, 645. We have 50%. It's like a coin flip. It's like a coin flip that we lose. No. Rain hasn't treated us that well lately. Okay. I mean, the streams has been really good on kick. Okay, that's a gold for them. But he hit as well. Okay, this is not good. Rainbot 14 needs to hit in the last case or we're fucked. Come on, bot 14. Bot 14 needs a hit. Show a gold on 14. Ah, go down. No, okay. How much is the Vulcan? Oh my god. Come on, snipe this. Please snipe this. No. That paid really good. We're already down at 300 coins. We need this one. Okay, no 1%er. Catacombs. Okay. Maybe Skeleton Slaughter would be really nice. Just don't be the scout. Okay, that's like 450, right? 370, okay. Okay, no 10k knife today. 4% case left and 5%er. Come on, hoops. Spin anywhere, no. 5% rifle, do it. Bot 19 or 15. Ah. We do have 60% though. This should be us. Yeah, that's us. Not the greatest profit. I mean, it's basically money back, right? It is. Only good items now if we get golds. No 4%er. Life's lemon. Do it. Nah, that's way too fast, right? Yeah, it is. Trap, come on. No way. Okay, it's all up to piggy bank. Show us that spin now. Not a single rain spin. We're 6 people, there's 4 cases. Watch us win this one as well. Nah. 1% case. Anywhere on the right. Okay, it's not happening. Once more, once more. Okay, come on, load, load, load. Once more. Anywhere now. Okay, that's not hitting. Bot 4 and 15. You better pull some spins now. Started off with a 1%er. No. Invisibility. Nah. Baits. Baggage. Give us the AK jet set. Ah, it baits again. Monochrome. Nope. Okay, there's only 4 cases left. Something needs to happen now. Catacombs. Holy shit, they're baiting. 25 Logan. Not a single spin. What is happening? Last case. 5% there. Okay, we're gonna have 33% chance. We need to snipe this. Give us a crazy hit and let us snipe. That's 1k. Come on. Blue. That's us. Okay, boys. Okay. But here's the thing. We're not even back on starting balance. Should we try to do some crazy upgraders maybe? Some 25.34. Let's do a 20x. Go right over here. Actually, nah, that's way too fast. 30 coins. And go here again. One last for 35 coins. Come on. Okay, no. Come on. First one is a 1%er. That would have been huge. Breakfast is a 3%er. Come on. We have one more chance here. Nope. Hardboil 5%er. No, don't do this. Crunchy. Okay, that's a spin. First spin. Be something crazy now. Be something crazy. Poseidon, how much is that? Okay, 1k. That's really good. 2 cases left. We need more hits though. Snatchers, it's bad that we pull. Piggy bank, come on. Okay, go down. Okay, come on. Crazy hit now when it's a 50-50. Ah, that's so bad. That's so bad. 50-50. And we lose it somehow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Didn't even pay that good. 700 each. But you know what? We can't win every single time. So if you're going to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to deposit, use code Vaulty and hit 7 days and apply. If you do so, you will automatically join the 1000 coin bi-weekly leaderboard. And we will see you boys in the next video. Bye.